Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Carole R. Today, the video is all about happy birthday to Ellen from Glamour Ellen. The Glam Squad is celebrating her 47th birthday. And we are doing Hollywood Glam Tablescapes. Hosted by Glamour Ellen. Co-hosted by Luxury Living Within, My Style, My Colors, and Tammy, the glam queen of DIY. My tablescape is black and white and gold accent. I have done a few things here, and I hope that you will like them. If you're new to my channel, thank you for joining in. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate you. This tablescape is a Hollywood glam, my take on Hollywood glam. And it was fun. As you see, my floral arrangements with feathers and roses in this black tall vase, which I got from Home Goods, I do believe, some time ago. My runner, believe it or not, are tiles that I use in my shed that leads into my backyard. I thought that was a cool idea. My table cloth is from Amazon. All sparkly and shiny. My napkins are from Tablescape Factory. My napkin ring is from Totally Dazzle. My plates, the salad and the dinner plate, are from the Dollar Tree store. They have really nice plates there. My placemat is from Amazon. My silverware from Amazon. I really like the black with the black and white stripe. I just want to say happy birthday to Ellen once again. My water glass is an heirloom. I received that from my cousin Robert and my Aunt Martha. They had it in the family for a long time, and it's got passed on to me. The black wine glass is from Amazon. My candle holders are also heirlooms from my aunt and my cousin. Two place settings are with the black and white stripe, and two place settings are with the dinner plate just completely white. My candles are from Amazon. I want to say thank you to the ladies of the Glam Squad for inviting me once again for the Hollywood Glam Tablescape for 2022. So just sit back, relax, and please enjoy my video. If you like it and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so you can come back and see more. Hit that notification button and come back and see me. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you, Glam Squad. Thank you, everyone. Bye for now.